The most commonly forgotten plumbing fittings are shutoff valves, unions, and escutcheon plates, along with things like air gaps and cleanout plugs that people rarely think about until something goes wrong. Think of your plumbing system like a road map for water, and fittings are like the little connector pieces that let water change direction or let a plumber take something apart later without cutting the pipe. A shutoff valve is a small handle near a sink or toilet that lets you stop water flow to just that one fixture, and a lot of homes are missing these, which means if a pipe bursts, you have to shut off water to the whole house. A union is a special fitting that lets two pipes be disconnected and reconnected easily, kind of like a zipper for pipes, and without it, a plumber might have to cut into your wall just to fix something small. Escutcheon plates are the little metal covers that hide the hole where a pipe comes out of the wall or floor, and while they seem decorative, they actually protect the area from water damage and pests sneaking in through gaps. Something most people never learn about is the cleanout plug, which is a capped fitting on your main sewer line that lets a plumber snake out a clog without tearing up your yard or flooring. If your home does not have accessible cleanouts, drain problems become way more expensive to fix. A simple thing you can do this weekend is walk around your home and locate every shutoff valve so you know exactly where they are before an emergency happens. One common mistake is assuming every fixture already has its own shutoff valve, when older homes often skip them entirely, so it is worth having a plumber add individual shutoffs under every sink and toilet. Another misconception is thinking escutcheon plates are just for looks, but skipping them can let moisture build up inside walls and cause hidden rot over time, so always make sure every exposed pipe has one installed properly. People also forget that cleanout plugs need to stay accessible, and covering them with landscaping, concrete, or flooring makes future repairs painful and costly, so keep those spots marked and easy to reach. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobbytair, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.